Okay, this is section 9.2, okay, and it's translation. Okay, the first time that we did this, when we did translations the first time, okay, we measured from each point. But how much did we measure? We had to measure our translation line, okay, our translation vector, excuse me. And this particular translation vector in centimeters is 9.5 centimeters long. So 9.5 centimeters. That's how long I'm going to go. So from here, the corner, I'm going to go out 9.5 centimeters. And I'm going to put my dot. Since this corner is B, this one's going to be B prime. Now I'm going to go from the corner of C. I hope you all saw that. I'm sorry. Okay. How long? 9.5 from C. Put my little dot there. And that happens to be C prime. And then from A, I'm going to go out 9.5. And that's going to be A prime. When I make my connections, you should notice that this shape translated 9.5. Okay? So that's the first way that we did that in section 9.2. Alright? So those are the steps. From each point, measure it by this. So when you do your homework, you can look at this again, rewind it, or pause it, showing my age. Alright, now, the next time that we did translations, okay, they gave us the coordinates. And I plotted those first. That's what they gave me. You're going to be given that. You don't have to guess. It's going to be given to you. And they're also going to give you a translation vector. Okay? And when we do the translation vector, we add that. So let's do a little math. Okay, my translation vector was 4, 3. Okay? Okay? So I'm going to add these numbers to each one. Negative 14 plus 4, put it in your calculator, what do you get? Negative 10. 5 plus 3 is 8. B prime. Negative 4 plus a positive 4 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. C prime. Negative 11 plus 4 is negative 7. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. And then D prime. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Negative 5 plus 3 in your calculator is negative 2. So now I'm going to plot these points. My first one is negative 10, 8. Negative 10, positive 8. That is A prime. I'm going to do it in a different color. That's A prime. Okay? I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll do it in black. Alright, so I got to check that off. The next one is 0, 8. 0 means I don't move it right or left. And 8, I go up 8. That's my origin. That's the only reason that dot is there. That's B prime. C is negative 7, negative 4. I started my origin. I go over negative 7, I go down 4. That's C prime. And then D is 0, 2. I don't go anywhere, right or left, and I go down negative 2. Okay, again, that's just my origin. Don't get tripped up by that. And then when I draw that shape, when I connect those dots, Notice, it was translated from here. We went from here to here, okay? Every point goes up 4 and over 3. I think I got one off right here. -6. C is -7. It's right here. Yeah, -7, -4. That's why. It should be down here. C should be down here. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, so I'm a little off, but that's why I had to make that correction. I looked at that and I said, oh, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Over, here's my X, and there's my Y. I go over 4 and up 3, and I should hit a point. If I go over 4 and up 3, I should hit a point. Okay? That part you don't necessarily have to worry about, but that's just if you wanted to test it. That's why I needed to test my point. I knew I was off a little bit. Okay? Alrighty then. So that is the translation, which is section 9.2. So when you're going over your problems, you can always refer back to this. Okay? Alright, see you tomorrow.